Introduction to Springs, Missouri.
Missouri's 8 largest springs each have average water flows of over 65 million gallons per day. With enough water to form a small river, each spring could provide water for a city of over 650,000 people.
Magnitude 1, that was what that was. Magnitude 2, 3.
Missouri has over 200 moderately sized springs with average water flows between 650,000 to 65 million gallons of water per day. These springs feed streams and could provide water for towns of over 6,500 people.
Alright. Magnitude 4 to 5. Blue.
Missouri's 340 small springs have average daily flows between 14,400 and 650,000 gallons of water. The many creeks and ponds fed by these springs could each provide water to a community with several hundred people.
Alright, and then the last one was orange, magnitude 7.
Missouri's smallest springs average daily flows of 14,400 gallons per day, or under 10 gallons per minute. These springs could each provide water for about 50 to 100 people.
Alright, hope you enjoyed. This is at Bennett Spring at the Nature Center. Come check it out. Not advertising, just saying. Thanks for watching.